If you have a Jeep Wrangler and you're looking to get it lifted, add some new wheels and tires, you should take a look at what we did to this one that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. I'm gonna go over what we added so you guys can get some inspiration and figure out what you can do with yours. To get started, I'm going over the lift kit, which is going to be a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift. With this lift kit, it's going to help us lift up this vehicle, add this bigger wheel and tire package. So with this body style of the JLs, we only have to add that 2.5-inch lift. Unlike the old body style of the JLs, you would have to, or the JKs, you would have to use a 3.5-inch lift. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a hybrid tire. So it's a mix between an all-terrain and mud-terrain tire. So you're going to have the aggressiveness of the mud-terrain with the aggressive sidewall, that thicker tread, and some of that off-road capability. But you're also going to have some of the features of an all-terrain tire, which are going to be the long tread life and also a quieter ride. If you want to go with a different tire, you can go with the NATO Ridge Grappler, which is one we highly recommend, but you can also go with the Toyo Open Country AT3. Down here we have a 22x12 fuel stroke. This one's going to be that deep dish look, and this one's going to be a pretty unique design with the spokes. It gives it a real nice edgy vibe with it, with the spokes. And this is actually one of my favorite wheels. This one does come in a couple different finishes with the gloss black and red, gloss black and blue, gloss black and milled like this one. And then this one's going to have that -44 offset, so it's going to give you about a 5.5-inch lift on this one. And with that offset, it's also going to push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it a nice wider stance. So if you guys like this wheel and tire setup and this whole build package, you can use it for your Wrangler. We can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs, but make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get your Jeep lifted now and pay later.